Hello, everyone, welcome back to Appgeeker channel. Today's video is about how to transfer video from PC to iPhone. Here we'll introduce 3 quick and easy ways for you to transfer videos from PC to iPhone and enjoy it. The first method I'm gonna introduce is iTunes. It is also a more common way to transfer photos or videos from PC to iPhone. Now use the USB to lighting cable to connect your iPhone to your PC. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and enter the passcode to trust the computer. After successful connection, open iTunes and add videos from your computer to iTunes library. Navigate to File greater than Add File to Library and browse to the folder where your video is located. Select the video and import it. Great. Now click on the device icon in the top left corner. Here, locate the Movies tab and check the Sync Movies. Select the specific files you want to sync from the Movies list. Then click Apply, and wait for iTunes sync the video to your iPhone. OK, once the process is complete, you can find those videos in Videos app or Apple TV app on your iPhone. But using iTunes to transfer videos from PC to iPhone has a drawback. That is, it will cause the existing videos on your iPhone to be lost, because the newly synced video will replace the original content. If you don't want this to happen, you can take the help of a third-party tool, iPhone Data Transfer, to transfer videos from PC to iPhone without losing files. This easy-to-use software enables you to transfer videos, photos, music, and other multimedia files between iDevices or between iPhones and computers. Let's see how quickly it can transfer your videos from PC to iPhone. After downloading and installing the software, run it on your PC. Plug your iPhone into your computer using the correct data cable. Now, click on the Videos tab on the left sidebar, and then you'll see that your iPhone's videos will be divided into different directories. Click the plus icon on the top left, and select the video you want to add from computer to iPhone in the pop-up window to continue. You can press the Control key to select multiple videos, and then click Open to start exporting videos to iPhone. Once the transfer is successful, you can enjoy the videos on your iPhone. Okay, let's move to the third method. You can also try cloud services to transfer videos from PC to iPhone, such as iCloud, Google Drive, OneDrive, and so on are available. You can first upload your videos to cloud-based services on PC to save them, and then download these videos on iPhone. Here is an example of iCloud. Open any browser on your PC and visit iCloud.com. Sign in with the same Apple credentials as your iPhone. Select Drive icon in the upper right and click on the Browse tab to go on. Choose the Upload button in the top left corner of the iCloud Drive page. Pick the video you want and hit Open to upload it to the cloud for saving. Now, open the Files app on your iPhone. In the Files app, tap the iCloud Drive option and you can see the video you just uploaded. Tap the video and wait for it to download to your iPhone to watch. Okay, above are the 3 specific methods and their steps on how to transfer video from computer to iPhone in this video. Hope it is helpful for you.